Hello friends, this is Eden from Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking Adobong Pusit. Here are the ingredients. Pusit or squid, soy sauce, tomatoes, cooking oil, ground black pepper, red and green chilies, onions, vinegar, garlic, red bell pepper, oyster sauce, and bay leaves. And also you can check the proper measurement down below after finishing this video. Okay, let's start cooking. First, let me put some oil to my preheated wok here. Around 2 tablespoons. Let me put the onion first. Let's fry the onion till translucent. Okay, next, let's add the garlic. I have added a lot of garlic here. Kasi alam nyo naman, yung squid medyo may pagkamalansa. Okay, let's put the tomatoes. Let's saute this for about a minute. Okay, now let's put the squid. Kinat ko na to kasi masyadong malalaki itong squid na nabili ko. Ito lang yung pinakamaliit, kaya hindi ko na siya kinat. Okay, let's put the bay leaves and lots of ground black pepper. The soy sauce. Ooh. Red bell pepper, okay, let's cover it and simmer for 10 minutes. Now let's check. Remove natin yung cover. Yan, nag-reduce na yung kanyang liquid. Let's put the vinegar. And the oyster sauce. Para magkaroon siya ng konting sweetness. Let's put our red chilies and green chilies. Uy! Let's leave it for a couple of minutes. Huwag na natin siyang takpan. Now, let me taste it. Baka kasi kulang ng salt or whatever. Oh my God. Tama lang po yung kanyang suka at saka soy sauce. Mas prefer ko sana na mag-reduce pa tong kanyang liquid. Don't overcook your squid kasi kukunat siya para siyang rubber pag nag-overcook siya. I think it's done. There you have it, guys. Our adobong pusit. Let's turn off the heat at ililipat na natin sa isang serving plate at pwede na natin siyang iserve. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Happy cooking! Okay, ito po yung ating finished product. Adobong pusit.